Now, for it says here that agribusiness as a sector is illustrated by this figure. So, nakikita natin dito na si agribusiness is not a separate aspect. Hindi siya separate island. Kumbaga, ano siya, it's a critical point of intersection between these three economic sectors. So, ito yung mga sectors na nakakabilangan ni agribusiness. So, we have here the agricultural sector. So, sa traditional na agriculture sector, di ba, nandyan yung farming, crop production, livestock, ayan. So, dito sa agricultural sector, they provide yung mga raw materials. So, without the farmer, syempre, wala tayong mapaprocess, wala tayong mamamarket, wala tayong mabebenta. So, ito yung foundational sector ng agribusiness. Meron din tayong industrial sector. Ayan. So, si industrial sector naman, ito yung nagbibigay ng, or nagpro-provide ng mga tools and even the processing capability. So, nandito na yung pag-manufacture ng mga farm inputs, kunwari yung fertilizer, paggawa ng machineries, ng pesticides, and yung mga processing outputs. Ayan. So, sa industrial sector, nandito na i-introduce yung technology and yung mga scale dito sa agriculture. We also have here another sector, the commercial or the service sector. Ito naman sector na to, it provides the business framework. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung nag-a-allow sa lahat ng to move and to sell products and para maging profitable. So, nandito yung finance and banking, yung marketing, yung logistic, yung transportation, yung wholesaling, yung retailing, nandito yung lahat sa commercial or the service sector. So, itong sector na to, ine-ensure niya na yung agribusiness is market-oriented. So, kinoconnect niya yung farm production to consumer demand. Ayan. Now, meron tayo ditong itong overlapping areas or the green area. Nandito yung, this represents the agribusiness. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, agribusiness is a combination or it is topped by different sectors in the economy.